Let us solve this one. What does the question say? Now once you have practiced solving a lot of questions based on single inverse trigonometric function, single inverse trigonometric ratio, and on the basis of that you have found the values of those ratios. Can you solve this one over here? Let's take a look at this. First I'll explain a simple approach. Simple approach, yes. Tan inverse 1 is very simple. This is pi by 4. This is in the first quadrant. Don't need to worry about anything. This is 1 by pi by 4, and cos inverse sine inverse. If you see, this is cos inverse x plus sine inverse x. Same angles are there, same values are there, right? Cos inverse of something plus sine inverse of that same thing. If that's the case, then these add up to sine inverse something plus cos inverse something is actually pi by 2. Is actually pi by 2 by the properties that we have done, right? So one of the ways is this is pi by 2, and this becomes 3 pi by 4, which is pretty simple. But in case if you don't remember the properties, what will you do? I'll use an alternate approach. Let's talk about alternate approach, method 2. If you don't remember that cos inverse x plus sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. What's the property I have used? Condition, mod x should be less than equal to 1. Obviously this domain of this is important, right? Inverse, in case of inverse trigonometric functions, domain and range are very, very important concepts. Right. What does method 2 say? Method 2 says that tan inverse 1 will be y by 4. That is simple. What about cos inverse minus 1 by 2? Now in case of minus 1 by 2, I'll be looking at the second quadrant. Yes. For 1 by 2, I have the angle pi. Cos 1 by 2, cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Okay. So since cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, cos of pi minus pi by 3 will be minus 1 by 2, which is 2 pi by 3. Remember this angle. What else? Minus half. In case of sine inverse x equal to half, I'll have x equals pi by 6. This angle is pi by 6. But then I need a negative one. This angle will be minus pi by 6. So this is minus pi by 6 over here. If you add these two, you'll get a pi by 2, and the overall answer would be same, 3 pi by 4. Obviously it will be same, but this is what you get, right? How do we add 2 pi by 3 and minus pi by 6? 2 pi by 3 is actually 4 pi by 6. Minus pi by 6 is 3 pi by 6, which is actually pi by 2 only. This is what I've used. This is what I've used over here. Is that all? Yes, this is a pretty simple question. Very easy question, very easy explanation.